is the month of celebration and reflection. As we honor the Asian American and Pacific Islander community, celebrate Mother's Day, and acknowledge Mental Health Awareness Month, let us also embrace the importance of emotional wellness. In this month of May, let us remember the power of grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. Gratitude reminds us to be thankful for the blessings in our lives, big or small. Respect teaches us to honor ourselves and others, fostering meaningful connections. Accountability empowers us to take ownership of our actions and choices. Courage gives us the strength to face our fears and pursue our dreams. Engagement encouraged us to be present, to actively participate in our lives and communities. Let us embrace grace as we navigate life's challenges, supporting each other with kindness and understanding. On Mother's Day, we express profound gratitude for the nurturing, the love, and the sacrifices of mothers everywhere. Their unwavering support shapes us, inspires us, and fills our lives with boundless joy. Let's cherish and honor them not just today, but every day for their immeasurable contributions to our lives. This May, let us celebrate diversity, honor motherhood, prioritize mental health, and live with grace. Together, we can create a more compassionate and resilient world.